Good afternoon, AJ Young with the St. Lucie County Fire District Training Division. Today we're here to talk about how to put a fold in the end of the 5-inch supply line. The fold is going to protect the adapter on the end, and it's also going to make deployment of the hose a little bit more efficient. So today we're going to demonstrate how to do this. First, take the end of the line, fold it over. It doesn't have to be exact, about 4 to 5 feet is good. Then you're going to take that fold it over one more time. This is going to protect, again, that adapter, and it's also going to make this pull out of the truck a little bit smoother. When you're applying the bag, we're going to apply the bag over all 3 folds of the hose. Remember to make sure that the coupling end is pointed down towards the end of the hose. Lastly, when you take your webbing, it's going to go around all 3 flakes. Apply your girth hitch, and then that will hang down off the end of the hose bed for easy retrieval during deployment.